Okay, so now we're going to talk about contacts on a site. Now let me preface what I'm about to say with a dire warning. Never, ever, 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 ever put someone's email address on a website for all to see. There are little programs out there I like to call spider bots that run around the internet and search websites. And if they find an email address, they will put it in their little database, and that person will all of a sudden be told that, well, their appendages need to be resized and they need drugs for their sexual performance, among other things. None of us like it, none of us want it, and that is one of the ways of avoiding it. Now, we need to learn to add contacts to our site so that people can contact us. So what we do is we use forms. But first, in order for the forms to work, there's a part of Joomla purely designed for contacts. So we go to our components and then contacts, and then here we are. Now first, we have to have a category of contact. Sorry if you don't like this, but this is how the Joomla fellas have done it. Joomla is designed to be a very, very big website if you want it to be. I'm just going to call my category site contacts, and then I'm going to click on contacts. I'm going to add a contact. I'm going to go BJ Koppel, select the category, we're going to link it to a user. We're going to say any person in the public can go and hassle him. What's his position? Complaints department. Why? Well, BJ is really good with people, and sometimes I'm not so good. Let's go BJ at faithcomputing.com.au, street address 1/100 Gomea Bay Road, Gomea, New South Wales, 2227, Australia. His phone number, +61 2 9524 5353. His mobile phone number is none of our business. And that's it. Now, on the side here, we've got our contact parameters. Name, position, email address. Notice we hide the email address. Street address, town, suburb. We'll hide the mobile phone because we're not using it. We're not using any of this either. And we will then look at the advanced parameters. Do you want to use text or icons to show it? Well, we're going to go icons. Email parameters, description text, banned email addresses, banned subjects, banned text. Now let's just hit save. Now let's create another quickly. I'll just fill this in nice and fast. Now we don't want to give any more details than that, so we're going to go hide, 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 all the way down the list for this one. And we're going to hit OK. There we go. Now, we've created the contacts. Now we have to create the form for the contact to email. So we go to our menus and we click on the main menu because that is our only menu on the site at the moment. You can have 100 menus if you want, but at the moment we're not going to go there. Click on New, Contacts. Now we can choose here between a standard contact category layout or just a standard contact layout. The category layout will show a box with a whole heap of different people in it. It's handy if you've got 50 people in your organisation and you want to list them all. but I just use standard category layout. Title, contact, J4D. Now it's got some questions over here to the right. Who's going to be our main contact? Well, let's make it the complaints department. Do we want a drop down box so they can go for Scott Nailon as well? Yeah, we'll let them do that. Show the category in breadcrumbs. No, we're not going to worry about that. Systems, we can create a page title, show the page title or not. We can create banned email, all of that kind of stuff. Let's just keep it very standard for the moment. Now we hit save. And if we go over here to home, all of a sudden, there's our contact J4D. When we click on it, there it is, BJ Koppel, the complaints department. And see at the bottom here, we've got an automatic email thing. Now this means that his email is not given away. No one knows his email, but you can send him a message and he'll get back to you. If we click on Scott Nailon, it'll change the form. Say, well, this guy's the cleaner, he just cleans the floors. That's it. So that is our lesson on contacts. Always log out when you're finished.